Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in BlackBerry's employee account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in this link. After that, you'll be led to the official login interface of BlackBerry's employee. If you do not want to enter this link, what you can do is simply launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in BlackBerry's employee log in, press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the link provided by BlackBerry Media. After doing that too, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of BlackBerry Media. From here you'll be able to log into the employee account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in BlackBerry's employee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.